Hello everyone, I'm Ollie and this is how you make wavy text in Procreate. So you want to open up your action tool button and you want to add text. Choose whatever font of your liking. I decided to go with Bubblegum and I got this off of a website for free and I'll put the website down below. So now you want to just write whatever you like. I decided to put travel the world, and as you can see it's not on one straight line, so I just adjust it with sizing. So now we want to center in the middle of our screen and adjust the perfect sizing of your preference. And if we go over to our layers, we want to merge it down. I do this so that it's just easier to duplicate and add on together. I do around perhaps 4 or 5 rows and I merge them together so it's quicker and easier to put these in place. So now we want to merge all our layers together so we can center them all in the middle of the page, as well as making sure that every piece of color attaches to each line. So on a new layer, I'm then going to add some color. So the palette I'm using is actually on my Etsy store. The link will be down below if you're interested in it. It's called Tropics Tree and that is the palette I'll be using today. So we're going to use monoline brush. And I'm just going to do about 3 or 4 colors over our text. So remaining on our color layer, we'll go over to our adjustments and we will select Liquidify. This is just to add a little bit of more texture to our text so that it's a bit more lively rather than just simply plain colors. So throughout the process, you can kind of play around with it. I use the push tool. You can adjust the sizing, you can adjust the momentum of it, and just really have a go at it until you're kind of happy with your ending result. To attach our color, we'll need to go over to our layers and select clipping mask, and this will attach onto our text. In order for it to be movable and transferable though, we'll need to go back to our layers and merge our first layer down to our bottom layer. Now to create our shadow and more 3D effect, we will need to duplicate the layer and turn on alpha lock. We're then going to fill the layer in black. Remember to turn off alpha lock once you've done this so that we can then create our shadow. So you want to go over to our Gaussian blur, and I do around 4 to 5%. But you can go up to whatever suits your preference. Now we want to go to our pen tool and move our shadow either left or right, whatever you prefer, up or down. So as we zoom in, you can see that the shadow is slightly coming off and it creates that 3D effect. Now let's go over to our layers and merge everything together so that we can then create our wavy text. You want to go back to your adjustments and you want to select Liquidify. Now again, this is all depending on what you prefer. You can play around with it until you're liking, adjust the size and the momentum. Please let me know down in the comments if you were happy with this tutorial, or if you'd like me to share anything else, please also do let me know in the comments below. The palette I used today was my own palette and it's on my Etsy store, which will also be in the link below. Thank you for watching.